how to use Housecall Pro tutorial for beginners. So let's get started. First, you just have to go to any web browser and then type Housecall Pro, and this is what it looks like. Now, anyways, if you don't know what is this Housecall Pro I'm talking about, so a field service management tool called Housecall Pro handles a number of tasks, including booking, dispatching, pricing estimates, invoicing, and processing payments. So that means you can do all of this. I mean, a house call pro can do this for you. You don't need tons of employees because you can see or you can use all of this in House Call Pro. So professionals can get assistance from House Call Pro with all facets of their everyday business, such as scheduling jobs, which are indeed the most important things here, scheduling jobs, maintaining customer databases, processing payments and invoices, dispatching technicians, and more. So to start, you just have to go to House Call Pro and then you have to click this Get Started. So as you can see, once you tap that one, you will see to set up your free trial of Housecall Pro. You have to create your profile. You have to type your name, last name, phone number, and then your email address. So once you're done with this, then you can now proceed with continue. Now set up your company name, address, municipality, company number, and so on. So all you have to do is to fill out this information right here. And then once you're done, then all you have to do is to recheck and then click optional. You don't need to put something here. Then click continue, create the password, and then after that, click start free trial. Then here you are. So let's get started by personalizing Household Pro for the Home Depot. So Home Depot is my business. Let's just see. Okay, so what's your top priority of this year? Grow my business. Click next. How do you currently manage your business? So everything is up to you, but for me, I just want to click this nothing, just getting started. Click next. What would you like to start with? So set up and manage, improve my customer, make it easy to collect payments. So first one and then next. So we're personalizing Household Pro for the Home Depot. So wait, and then as you can see, it's the interface of House Call Pro. So as you can see here, you have home, inbox, schedule, customers, money reporting, price book. And then I'm currently using the free trial. So if I want to proceed, then I have to click upgrade now. Okay. Later, we're going to talk about that. So set up and explore your calendar, set up your pricing, schedule a test job. So this is what it looks like. You can see the open estimates, open invoices, unscheduled jobs, and upcoming unscheduled jobs here. You can see here employee status. You can even see a map here to simply locate or track your status. So to start, you just have to click this new button. You can see options here, job, proposal, estimate, event, and customer. So first, let's start with customer. So what we're going to do here is we're going to create a customer. So for example, this customer calls you for this specific job and you want to input the customer's information such as the name, last name, display name, email, address, and mobile number. So this is an example. So you just have to review and then after that, once everything is okay, then you can tap this create customer. So all the information of the customer is here. You can skip others if you think that this one is optional or not necessary. You can just leave it. So you just have to click this create customer right here and you have created a customer. So if you want to know information or more information about this customer, you just have to click this one. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. Here's the summary, contact information. You can also add a payment method for your customer once both of you agreed for something. For example, if you want to pay through or through bank account or other payment methods, so you can just simply set up your payment right here. Start with this one, all you have to do is to click this set up online payments. Okay, so let's just go back first to our homepage. Okay, so we have added a customer already. So as you can see, this is our customer, Andrew Steamer. You can add customer tags, private notes, you can add attachments, local source, auto invoice. So you can simply add it right here, whatever status, whatever activities you want to apply or to include in this customer. So you can just add it right here. Okay, so that's it. Now, if it's at this estimates, then probably you can see the following like date, customer address, description, lead source, amount, and so on. For the jobs, you can see your job created, schedule, and other status also for payments. Invoices, you can create your invoice here. So all invoices that you have created, you can see it right here. But since we haven't added any of this, so it's totally blank. So the next thing to do is we're going to add a job. So you just have to click job and then let's add a customer here, or you can add new customer if you want. Okay, so add the customer's information, create the customer. So what we're going to do here is we're going to add some information like the schedule. Okay, so for example, this customer asked for home cleaning or something like that within the specific or given date. So you have to go to schedule and then set that specific date and time for that. So that you will be notified and you will be reminded that the customer is asking for help or your service at this given time. You can also go to home cleaning and then adjust the pricing. Okay, so since you offer home cleaning, such as bedroom, bathroom, home cleaning to your bedroom, bathroom, half bathroom, and so on, so there should be a price for that. So in order to edit your pricing, just tap this edit pricing form. You can add description, for example, home cleaning description. Everything is up to you. You can also add image here, like a sample, a proof of your service, like a duration, set duration and time, and you can also set a quantity, for example, for bedroom. Okay, so this is the amount that you need to pay, okay, for cleaning the bathroom and the half bathroom. So all you have to do is to edit the price here, duration, and also the booking. You can also add another service or other services. You can go to option and then add add-ons with specific price. Okay, so everything is up to you. You just have to simply scroll down here and then add more information about your service or cleaning services. Okay, so that it would be easier for the customer to see the advantage and benefits of choosing your service or your company. Okay, so that's it. Now you can add quantity. So the price is here. Okay, the price is here. Okay. So how large is your unit? So you can easily tap this arrow facing down. You can see options here, add-ons. Okay. If your customer asks for add-ons and then any pets, you can just answer. And then below, you can see here the total. Okay. So the customer will be notified that this is the amount that he or she should home cleaning service. You can also add a discount. For example, this person is your customer since then. So you can, add discount to this person. Okay, so everything is up to you. You can also add checklists if you want. You can add customer tags, job fields, lead source, and so on. So you can add the following features and options here. Okay, so once you're done, then you can save this job and then you can add another customer if you want. So as you can see, it's way too easy. You will be notified for the customer's information. You will be notified with the service he wants you to do or the offer or the services that he wants to avail. You will be notified with the amount that they need to pay and also the status of this job. So this is the good thing about this House Call Pro. You don't need two or more people because you can do this job by yourself. So thanks to House Call Pro. Okay, you can also send an invoice. Next, we have here is proposal. With the help of House Call Pro's sales proposal tool, you can create proposals quickly from scratch or form a stored template from any location. This will help you close bigger jobs more rapidly, improve your sales process, and provide outstanding customer service. Next, we have estimates. So the simplest method for producing quick, precise estimates is to use Housecall Pro's estimating program. Whether you're working in the office or out on a job, you can rapidly create and customize estimates. So obviously, you can create event by tapping event, add schedule, and then event details. And that's it. So this is just a very basic tutorial on how to use Housecall Pro tutorial for beginners. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.